here. Tampere once it's very beautiful. This has only 5 floors. Super is 1/8 and 1/9. And it also deserves 3 heights here. You can also watch the staircases B and C, which have 7 floors here. And here it has the blue doors, the staircase B has red doors, and the staircase C has green doors.
Inspektiert paikkivaisputant maintained Otis are now described this.
We have to switch on the lights in here.
Yeah.
I can do it. It's also very beautiful.
Yeah.
It's a dark red.
Yeah.
But somebody? No.
No.
I'm pretty happy that we got all 3 of them. So,
Yeah.
because we had to do it, you know.
Yeah.
These are the best Otises in Finland. Turn around. I'll press the button for the first floor. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this elevator as much as we did, and please don't forget to stay. We shall even better in some course.
That's